Is your training helping you achieve your important business goals? Is it actually changing behavior? And is it memorable? If you answered no to any of these questions, then your organization's training can be improved. You may be experiencing high turnover, overwhelmed or disgruntled employees, and it may be taking too long to bring new employees up to speed. Eventually, these challenges could have considerable impact on your company culture, productivity, and profitability. But there is a solution. When our clients partner with us, they fundamentally get three services. Number one is learning experience design. Very rarely do companies these days have the internal resources to plan out and put great intentionality around their learning experiences. Secondly, we help digitize learning, put it online in a way that can be delivered scalably, effectively, but most importantly, in a measured fashion. And finally, of course, we also produce video. Our team is incredibly effective at getting stories out of your subject matter experts that make for really engaging and effective learning. The first step to your solution is plotting out your learning journey map. Reach out to me and I'll share a template to help get you started. Enable education, learning that powers results.